Hello, welcome back. We are looking at our Japanese facial feature tutorials. The last video I showed you how to create different types of eyes to show different emotions. This video I'm going to show you how to do different noses. You can look at the handout that I provided in the Google document on Google Classroom to help you out. Those are from the worksheet. Those are the exact ones that I did for the examples here. If you know what character you want to do for your project, you are going to practice those noses 5 different times. So from the first video, we looked at different sets of eyes, and for this video, we're going to be doing different types of noses. Some noses are very simple. They are simply just the nostrils, which look like this. Notice they're slightly at an angle, like a V angle here. Okay. Some noses are also just like this, just a little carrot shape. If you want more of a complex nose, those are the ones I'm going to take a little bit more time to show you. So this nose is going to come down at an angle and then curve like this. And then for shadow, it's going to start right where the point is and curve up. And then curve, kind of like an S almost, like this. And then to create the nostril, it kind of looks like a 6, a backward 6. All right. And this is the part where you would add the shadow, like this. Okay. The next is the nose if you have the mouth attached to it. So it's the same thing. I'm going to curve down and come back. And this one's going to curve down a little bit. You can see it curves here. And then not connected to this part of the nose, but up a little bit higher. You're going to curve it in and then back out. It's almost like a zigzag line here for the mouth. You're going to go in, out, and in again like this. Looks a little strange, but... And then not at the tip of the nose, but up a little bit above. We're just going to draw a little line, then another little line, and then we're going to add the nostril here. Okay, and then back down here for the mouth. It's going to curve. It looks almost like a wishbone right here. All right, and all this would have shading to it. The next nose is going to curve like this, and it's going to curve back. Then right here, we're going to make this interesting shape. It's like a question mark almost. And then for the nostril, make a curve and then a half circle. And then for the shadow is going to start at the bridge of the nose up here, and then it's going to come out and then connect again like this. So this is shaded. This part is also shaded. Another style of nose goes like this. And it curves like that. So it's almost like an angle. Then we're going to curve down. The nostril kind of comes off here. And the shadow here goes off and back in. And then another little triangle off like that. And the last nose I'm going to show you is a variety as well. So this one is going to come curve like that, angle down. This almost looks like a bird, a V bird, like this. And then you're going to do a little curve and a little dot for the nostril. And then for the shadow, it's going to come Just kind of follow the curve that you made on the outside of your nose. And then another little line that comes off the side here. Okay. Those are the different styles of noses. Again, these are a little bit more simpler ones that you can do. These ones are kind of a side view, a 3/4 view, and has some shading. So you want to think about which nose that you want to do for your character.